Hi, so today we will learn how to create a Reddit ads and how to set an event for the Reddit ads so that you can track the same in the the Reddit ads. The first thing what you need is you have to create a account on ads.reddit.com, and then once you are done with the set up your account, I mean of course you have to just provide a basic the business information, then have to set up a payments for the billing once you are done, so your account is all set. And once you land on this ads.reddit.com, so what you have to do, you just have to go back to the dashboard where you can see all the dashboards related to the ads, but that is something not at this point we are looking to create. But before starting the ads, what we have to do, we just have to set up our events, like so that we can track the conversion from the website to the Reddit account. So to do that, what you have to do is go back to the event, go back to the event manager, and then since I have already set up, but at this point the setup is already done for the for the page view. I have not set up any custom the conversion. So since I have already my tag manager account open, so what at this point what I have to do, just click on configure data sources, click on Reddit pixel Google tag manager, because that is the a way, I mean that's how I'm looking to configure it, because all my website conversion setup is through the tag Google tag manager. So what you now once you click on that the Reddit pixel, so you will get this a screen in front of you. Over here it's asking you to have a Google account, because we have opted it for the Google tag manager, or you can just copy paste the pixel ID and paste it in your account. That is something very custom, so you can go ahead with any one of this. So in this case I'll just copy this and then sign in with my email ID. Select all, because we have to give a permission to edit the. And now I'll just choose Rocket Screen, because that's the account I'm looking to set up. I'll select the workspace and click hit on publish. So this is the first step that we have to do, and it will automatically publish the content, so you don't have to worry about anything. Like what we do usually, like we go to the tag manager, then create the the tags, we create a container, we create the variables, then a tags, then we set up all those things. But in this case, once you have selected your account, it will automatically publish the the tag container, that you don't have to worry about it. And click on over here, set up in the tag. Now you can set the custom events. So this is okay. So now to set up the events, there is a two option. Either you can go ahead with the tools, that is something Reddit automatically providing, or you can copy the data layer code and you can put it in your a tag manager. But we are not taking that route, because we already have a setup our final for the final conversion for the different uh, uh, account, like Google Ads, Meta Ads. So we will be utilizing that thing, and we will just do a, a pixel setup. That's all we will do. So we'll ignore this part. We'll click on next, and we'll click on finish. So over here, if you can if you refresh this page, then you can see the tags which we have recently published is over here. So this is published. Now since we have already copied the tag and we have to set up the conversion, what you have to do is, I mean, we are taking a different, as I mentioned, we are taking a different route. We will not be following what Reddit is saying, because they already have. I mean, that if you want, then you can do it, because that is also one of the cool things to do. But since I have already set up my conversion, so I will not follow that process. So I'll just hit on a Reddit account, click over here, then Reddit template gallery, then I'll just put the integration pixel, and now this will be something go like the sign up. I mean, that is what we are trying to achieve. And I'll set up my custom triggers. What I'll set up my custom triggers, what I'm actually doing for other the integration. So in this case, I'll just go for the free trial or setup, or I'll select this one, the auth. So this is the two sign up. So this one is the first one which you are saying that tag is specifically for those users who directly come to our website and submit their the email ID manually. On the second one is for those user who just select any one of their Gmail account or Microsoft account, and they can log in using that account. So either of them will work perfectly fine, so you just have to select. So I have done this part. Now I'll just go and we'll name it conversion. So this is sign up one, or this is how, see, I have set up for the Meta, this is how I have set up for the LinkedIn, and that's how I will do it for the the Reddit. So this is done. I'll just, okay, so before publishing, okay, so before publishing your tag, what you can do, you can just click on this preview mode and check your the tags if it's working perfectly fine. So in my case, the the triggers have already been configured and have tested multiple times, so I will not do that part as of now. So the only thing which I wanted to add is the Reddit conversion pixel ID. So that is something I have already done, so I don't have to test it, so I don't have to test that again. So I'll just directly go to the publish, and the publish the container. So yeah, that's how you can set up the conversion. Now moving back to the again the event manager overview in the Reddit, you can just refresh this page, and if you see over here, we are getting the event just for page visit. We are getting this event just for page visit, correct? Now let's just test the conversion in real time. You can just go to the event testing. I'll enter the URL. I'll use any one of this the temporary email ID which I'll get from the website from here. Hmm. We'll click on sign up. We'll name this test. We'll enter email ID. Let's accept all the condition. Let's click on I'm not robot. Let's just, the moment I hit on this the sign up, see, this has got trigger. So this is perfectly working fine, so we don't have to worry about this. So yep, this is all done now. And of course there is a further process that we are not tracking, that is something we call it a complete sign up, because we do not need that part as of now. But starting with the campaign, I think that is perfectly fine. We can go ahead and then do the setup. So yeah, as we saw, like the sign up tag is working perfectly fine. So now the next thing is to create the ad.